I think La Traviata is a classic story of love, sacrifice and tragedy. It's also about the risks that we take when we allow ourselves to fall in love and how the best choice isn't always the easiest one to make.
I adore this production. I think it's one of the best productions I've seen, if not the best production I've seen. And certainly to be in it and to work very closely with the ideas that David McVicar has stamped into this production, you know. And of course the revival director, Sarah Crisp, is just wonderful, and she brings the colours back.
I think that it's a story and an opera that is just as thrilling and moving as it was when it was premiered in 1853, and it's possibly the most performed opera in the world, along with Carmen. And you can see why. They are real characters undergoing real life situations, and people put themselves into those places.
The relationship between Alfredo and Violetta, they genuinely loved each other, and that's what makes this story so heartbreaking. Because you see this kind of story in life too all the time. It doesn't work, but you want to get together. The only difference is like in this story, Violetta died, and the story ends there.
La Traviata is a great opera to come and see because this production doesn't just tug at your heartstrings, it actually rips them out, ties them in knots and then stuffs them back in again.